Today we are going to do assignment 5. So assignment 5 is just like the class activity that we did on Tuesday. In assignment 5, we are going to continue adding to the Kona website. So before you begin, you need to download Coffee Bag's folder and then extract the file. So let's go click on that and download it. And then when you have it, right click and extract all, okay? And then extract it and you will have a folder called Coffee Bags. Okay, so in Coffee Bags you have some images. Some of these images are JPEGs and some of them are PNG and some of them are not the accepted file format, so they're JF5F or other formats. So when you upload it, it should not be accepted, and then your website should tell the user the proper error message that it is not the accepted file format, and it should not be uploaded into your images table. Okay, so let's go through this step by step. Okay, so in this assignment, we're going to continue adding to the Kona website. Again, in my example, I show you the Boss website, but you have to think of the Kona website when I'm showing the example. Okay, so first download Coffee Bags and then extract the files. You'll need them. So after downloading them, you can just leave them in, on your desktop or in your downloads folder. It doesn't really matter. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to create a folder called Uploads in your web folder for your Kona website. Okay, so in your Kona website, you are going to create a folder called Uploads. Okay, and then when you upload a file, or in this case an image, from your downloads from the Coffee Bags folder, okay, it should go into your Kona Web uploads folder. Okay, so every time I click, it should show up in here. All right, so let's go take a look at that page. So localhost upload. So this is my Boss WAMP example. So again, you will choose the file, and then if it's not a JPEG, okay, so if it's not a JPEG, then it would say, sorry, only JPEG, PNG, and GIF files are allowed. Okay, sorry, your file is not uploaded. So this should show up if your file is not a JPEG. And also you should also show that in your database, it doesn't get added into the images table. Okay, so if it's not a JPEG, PNG, or GIF, one of the accepted formats, the name of it should not be added to your images table in PHPMyAdmin. And then you're going to create another page called Gallery where you can display the images that are uploaded. Okay, so in Gallery, okay, so you can display the images that are uploaded. So again, this is my Boss at Home website. So in your example, sorry, not in your example, in your assignment, you would be showing the images of these coffee bags, okay, that do get added. So it won't be all of them because some of them are not the accepted file format. All right. So quite simple, but make sure that you add in your nav.php, you have to add the following links, more links. One is upload images and gallery. If you just want to name it upload, that's fine. And then because upload images is quite long for a name for a link, and then you'll have one link for a gallery, and this should be in your nav.php. Make sure that you link all the pages to the style.css. All your pages must have style added to it. So you can see my example that I don't have style on this page and this page. So you need to go and add not just the CSS style, but also header, navigation, and footer as well. All right, so when you're submitting, please submit the exported SQL table and your zipped folder containing all your web files and the video that demonstrates that all your pages work. All of the steps below. So show a blank images table in PHP My Admin. So when you start out, I would like you to actually, even though you have been testing it, I would like you to actually delete all the rows, okay, and start out with a clean table, okay? And don't worry, you can add everything all over again. So if you do that, you also have to go into your uploads folder to make sure that everything is also empty. Okay, so start out with an empty folder. You can test it beforehand if you like, but make sure that when you film it, when you capture what's going on your screen, that you have the uploads folder empty, and as well your table here for images empty. All right. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so show blank images table in your PHP My Admin with no rows of data in it. So like this, a blank table, so you can show that. And then show yourself uploading a JPEG or an image. Okay, so let's go over to here, and I want you to go here and then upload, one of these images, not these images. You would upload coffee bags, right? Okay, so upload one of these coffee bags images, like so, and then upload image. Okay, and then you would show in the gallery. So go in here and show in the gallery. All right. So obviously I have an error in mine because I keep adding it twice. I'll check in my code, but yours should just show, okay, one. So show that is done. And then go back to your images table to show that the name of the image was entered in the table like I just did, and then go back to your website and go to the gallery page to show that the image displays. Then I want you to show yourself uploading the rest of the images in the coffee bag folder. Okay, so now that I've shown you that, and then now let's go to back to the upload form. Okay, and then I want you to just sort of go through each one of them and upload. Okay, if it's not uploaded, then go back to upload form and move on to the next one. Okay, and that was not uploaded either. Okay, so obviously you don't have to type it in here because you have a nice link in your navigation bar, and then keep uploading one by one, okay, until you're done. And then finally you would go show the gallery, okay, and then you will also go and show me your PHP My Admin table, okay, after everything has been added. So go to the images table to show all the names of the images that were entered, and then go to your images table to show all the names of the images that were not added. Okay, so that's actually just one step. You can probably change that. And then go to your website to the gallery page to show that only the accepted images are displayed. Okay, so you must show me that you are clicking on each one of these images, and you must show me the table at the end and then the gallery page at the end. Okay, so that is it for assignment 5. So don't forget to add CSS to every page, and also to add the following links to your nav.php. Any questions, please get a hold of me right away, and I can set up some time with you so that I can help you out.